Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're logged in and already on the page. Great. First, confirm your role is admin or editor because Facebook blocks others. Then open the page and click Settings or Page Info in the left column. Once done, find the name field under General or Page Info. That's where you'll start editing. Make sure the new name follows Facebook's guidelines for authenticity and no misleading punctuation, since that's a quick reason edits get denied. Now click Edit beside the page name. You'll see a text box ready for the new title. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear, keeping capitalization and spacing intentional because Facebook preserves formatting. Once entered, click Continue and read any prompts about how this change affects search or verification. Make sure to provide an accurate description if requested, and confirm Facebook may ask for supporting documentation when the change involves a brand, location, or significant rebranding. Finally, submit the name change request and wait for Facebook's review. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours. You'll get a notification with approval or denial. If approved, the new name appears automatically. If denied, don't panic. Check the rejection reason, then appeal or provide documentation like business registration or ID to prove authenticity. Make sure not to request frequent changes. Facebook often limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.